Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about synthetic engine oil and why it is recommended, symptoms of bad engine oil in the car, and how low-level engine oil will affect your car. But before we continue, please hit the subscription button and tune on the notification bell so that you will be the first to see the video once it drops. So, let us continue. What is synthetic engine oil and why it's recommended? Synthetic engine oil is a lubricant for internal combustion engines that is synthesized from chemically modified materials rather than being derived from crude oil alone, as is the case with conventional mineral-based oils. The synthesis process involves creating molecular structures with specific properties, resulting in a more refined and tailored product. Here are reasons why synthetic engine oil is recommended and its advantages. Improved viscosity stability. Synthetic oils generally have better viscosity stability across a wide range of temperatures. This means they maintain their thickness, viscosity, in high temperatures and remain fluid in extremely cold conditions, providing consistent lubrication. Enhanced thermal stability. Synthetic oils have superior thermal stability, making them more resistant to breaking down at high temperatures. This helps prevent the formation of sludge and deposits, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient engine. Reduced engine wear. The superior lubricating properties of synthetic oil reduce friction and wear on engine components. This is especially beneficial during cold starts when most engine wear occurs. Extended oil change intervals. Synthetic oils typically have a longer service life compared to conventional oils. Manufacturers often recommend extended oil change intervals for vehicles using synthetic oil, contributing to cost savings and reduced environmental impact. Improved fuel efficiency, reduced friction, and enhanced lubrication. Efficiency can lead to improved fuel efficiency. The smoother operation of engine components provided by synthetic oil can contribute to better gas mileage. Cold weather performance. Synthetic oils flow more readily at low temperatures, ensuring better protection during cold starts. This property is particularly advantageous in colder climates. Resistance to oxidation and degradation. Synthetic oils exhibit higher resistance to oxidation and chemical degradation compared to conventional oils. This helps maintain oil integrity over time, contributing to a longer and more reliable engine life. Cleaner engine operation. Synthetic oils are formulated to be cleaner and have fewer impurities than conventional oils. This results in reduced engine deposits, sludge, and a varnish formation. Better high-temperature stability. Synthetic oils maintain their stability and lubricating properties at higher temperatures, which is beneficial in high-performance engines or during strenuous driving conditions. Compatibility with advanced engine technologies. Synthetic oils are compatible with modern engine technologies, including turbocharging and direct fuel injection. They provide the necessary protection for engines with increased power and efficiency demands. Reduced environmental impact. Longer oil change intervals and enhanced fuel efficiency contribute to a reduced environmental impact. Fewer oil changes mean less waste, oil disposal, and improved fuel efficiency reduces overall energy consumption. Enhanced engine protection. The advanced formulation of synthetic oils provides superior protection against engine wear, ensuring the longevity and reliability of critical engine components. While synthetic engine oil often comes at a higher initial cost than conventional oils, the long-term benefits in terms of engine protection, fuel efficiency, and extended service intervals make it a recommended choice for many modern vehicles. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendations regarding the type of oil to use. Symptoms of bad engine oil in the car. Recognizing symptoms of bad or degraded engine oil is crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your car's engine. Here are common symptoms that may indicate issues with the engine oil. 1. Low oil level. Regularly check your oil dipstick. A consistently low oil level may suggest leaks or excessive oil consumption, leading to inadequate lubrication. 2. Dirty or dark oil. Engine oil that appears significantly darker than its original color, or is contaminated with particles and sludge, may indicate the need for an oil change. 3. Burnt oil smell. If you detect a burnt or unusual odor when inspecting the dipstick or while driving, it could signal oil that has exceeded its effective lifespan. 4. Loud engine noise. Insufficient or deteriorated oil can result in increased friction between engine components, leading to louder than normal engine operation. 5. Poor fuel efficiency. Reduced fuel efficiency may be attributed to increased friction and resistance within the engine due to inadequate lubrication from degraded oil. 6. Engine overheating. Inadequate lubrication can contribute to elevated engine temperatures. If your engine is consistently running hot, it may be related to compromised oil quality. 7. Check engine light, CEL. The check engine light illuminating your dashboard may indicate various issues, including problems related to oil quality or levels. Has the vehicle been diagnosed to determine the specific cause? 8. Engine sludge. Thick sludge deposits on the oil cap or valve cover may suggest poor oil quality, insufficient oil changes, or prolonged use beyond the recommended service interval. 9. Excessive engine wear. Worn out or contaminated oil can contribute to increased friction, resulting in accelerated wear on engine components like camshafts, bearings, and pistons. 10. Difficulty starting the engine. Inadequate lubrication due to degraded oil may lead to increased resistance during engine cranking, resulting in difficulty starting the car. 11. Knocking or pinging sounds. Abnormal engine noises, such as knocking or pinging, can be indicative of insufficient lubrication, potentially caused by degraded oil. 12. Oil warning light. Modern vehicles are equipped with an oil pressure warning light. If this light illuminates, it may signal low oil pressure, which can be caused by degraded or insufficient oil. 13. Thick or foamy oil. If the engine oil appears unusually thick or foamy, it may suggest contamination with coolant or the presence of other issues requiring immediate attention. 14. Poor acceleration or power loss. Reduced lubrication efficiency can impact engine performance, leading to poor acceleration or an overall loss of power. 15. Excessive exhaust smoke. Blue or white smoke from the exhaust could indicate oil burning in the combustion chambers, possibly due to oil leakage or internal engine issues. If you observe any of these symptoms, it's crucial to address the underlying issues promptly. Regular oil changes and adherence to the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals are key to maintaining a healthy engine and prolonging the life of your vehicle. If you suspect oil-related issues, consult with a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and appropriate maintenance. How low-level engine oil will affect your car. A low level of engine oil can have significant adverse effects on your car's performance, reliability, and overall health. Here are the potential consequences of operating a vehicle with low engine oil. 1. Poor lubrication. Engine oil serves as a lubricant for various moving parts within the engine. A low oil level means there is not enough lubrication to reduce friction between components. This can result in increased wear and tear on critical engine parts. 2. Increased friction and heat. Inadequate lubrication leads to increased friction between metal surfaces. The heightened friction generates excess heat, putting stress on engine components and contributing to elevated temperatures. 3. Engine overheating. Low engine oil levels can contribute to engine overheating. The cooling effect provided by oil is diminished, and the excess heat can cause severe damage to components like the pistons, cylinder walls, and bearings. 4. Increased engine wear. Without sufficient lubrication, critical engine components, such as the crankshaft, camshaft, and connecting rods, are subject to increased wear. This can lead to premature engine failure and the need for extensive repairs. 5. Poor engine performance. A low oil level reduces the efficiency of the engine. The lack of proper lubrication can result in poor performance, decreased power output, and sluggish acceleration. 6. Increased fuel consumption. The added friction and resistance within the engine due to low oil levels can contribute to increased fuel consumption. The engine has to work harder to overcome the heightened internal resistance. 7. Engine noise. Inadequate lubrication can lead to louder than normal engine operation. This may manifest as knocking, tapping, or grinding sounds, indicating potential damage to engine components. 8. Engine seizure. Continued operation with very low or no oil may cause the engine to seize. Engine seizure occurs when moving parts lock together due to severe friction and heat. resulting in catastrophic failure. 9. Costly engine repairs. Neglecting low engine oil levels can result in extensive and expensive engine repairs. Rebuilding or replacing a damaged engine can be a significant financial burden. 10. Oil starvation. Low oil levels may lead to oil starvation, meaning certain engine components do not receive the necessary lubrication. This can cause parts to seize, break, or wear unevenly. 11. Reduced engine lifespan. Consistently running a vehicle with low engine oil can significantly shorten the lifespan of the engine. Premature wear and damage may lead to the need for a complete engine replacement. 12. Smoke from exhaust. In extreme cases, low oil levels may lead to oil burning in the combustion chambers. This can result in blue or white smoke coming from the exhaust, indicating severe internal engine issues. To avoid these serious consequences, it's crucial to regularly check and maintain the proper oil level in your vehicle. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals and addressing any oil leaks promptly are essential practices for preserving the longevity and reliability of your car's engine. So, for you not to miss any of our videos on maintaining your car, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to see our video once it drops.